Is AI, artificial intelligence, slowly learning to understand crochet? I tried that a couple of months ago. You can see that. You can see how it went. But today I'm going to test how an AI written snowflake pattern works out. So I told ChatGPT to write me a crochet pattern for a snowflake that has maximum 5 rounds. So it wrote me one that has 5 rounds. And I haven't actually read it. I want it to be as authentic as possible when I crochet it, so that I see it there and then how it works out. And I'm showing you the pattern text round by round so you can follow along. And note that this is not a tutorial. This is me trying out a pattern I had never seen before. I'm going to use this cotton for trying that out and a hook that goes with it. This is a 3mm Clover Amour hook. Right, the first round certainly is a very basic start to any circle. So you make a magic ring and 12 double crochets into it, and the first 3 chains count as a double crochet, and then 11 double crochets. So I'll do that now. That's 11 plus the 3 chains, and then pull the ring tight and slip stitch. There. Then the second round, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch as where you were joining. Okay, chain 5. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5, repeat round, chain 5, okay, that 12 times. I'll do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a single crochet in the next one. Right, so 12 of those now. I'm at the end now. I mean, that wasn't really exact what it said about repeat round, but like, okay, this is what it must mean, I would think. So now I have 12 loops like that there. Then 3 slip stitch into the first chain 5 loop. There. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same loop. Right, I'm at the top of the loop now. Chain 6. There's 6, and then single crochet in the next loop. Okay, and again chain 6 and repeat round. Okay, well, this is what it must mean. It doesn't say exactly where to repeat round, but this is what it must mean. Okay, so I'll continue round, chaining like that there and jumping from one loop to the next. That's it there. Well, yeah, it looks like a flower so far. Let's see what's next. Again, slip stitch into the loop, chain 1, and in the same loop. Oh no, it's just going to tell me to make more loops. Yeah, that's what it's going to tell me. 7 on this round and then 8 on the next, and otherwise nothing else. Yes, if we look at rounds 4 and 5 at the same time, you can easily see that it's just going to repeat the same and add 1 stitch so that it stays round. But it's simply going to be a net flower, nothing else. By the way, I know there will be questions about the curtain behind me. I'm linking to the video that shows how I made it using doilies I got at the textile recycling depot. This is not going to have a snowflake shape. A snowflake needs points. I decided to finish it, since I had started, and here we are. At least there were no actual mistakes in the pattern itself. It was possible to complete it easily, but it's not a snowflake. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that it was a flower, not a snowflake, and see what it says. I'm telling ChatGPT now that it was a flower, not a snowflake, and let's see what it says. Okay, it's apologizing and giving another pattern. I expected that, and let's look at it just. I'm not going to make it, and just look at it very quickly. Yes, just looking at it I can tell that it's not a snowflake, because in a snowflake you need to have some sort of points, or every second bit needs to be different. So this would be some sort of a flower again. This was an interesting experiment, and it shows that as yet anyway, AI can't compete with crochet designers, which is a great thing. And I have a playlist of snowflakes I have designed. They all have 1 or 2 rounds of crochet only, so you can check that out. Till next time!